How to create Claude AI account. Now in this video, this is going to be quick and going to be straightforward. I'm going to teach you how you can create an account using Claude AI platform. So you simply pull up your preferred web browser, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome for now. Head straight into Claude AI as an official site where you can copy and paste this link into your working browser. Now, if you have not tried to log in since, then you will be redirected into the login page. Now, the easiest way to register an account with Claude AI is to connect with Google Mail or Facebook if available, because all I just have to do is to click on Continue with Google and it will automatically create you an account. However, if you would like to create a separate account, then you just have to type in your working email address and then choose on Continue with email, and then Claude will provide you OTP or one-time password for you to verify the account and then have it pasted here so that you can successfully create the account. Once you log in, you can go ahead and maximize the features of Claude AI by checking out their features. And that's it. That's how you create an account with Claude AI.